To show or hide some notifications when press volume up and down keys for 3 seconds in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Next, tap advanced settings, and then tap volume up and down keys. Scroll down the screen, and then on some notifications, check to show or uncheck to hide some notification when we press volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Check to show or uncheck to hide. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.